guys, welcome back to my parents' kitchen. I'm a big fan of popcorn and fried chicken. We'll put them together and we have popcorn chicken, an absolute beauty of a recipe. And with that being said, let's go. Starting from my right, which is your left, we have 3 chicken breasts, flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, and onion powder, and of course we have isu. For popcorn chicken, there's 2 main steps, dry and wet. For wet, we have buttermilk. If you want to see how I made my homemade buttermilk, go see my fried chicken tenders. Eating popcorn chicken by itself is nice, but having a sauce to go with it is a lot better. So I will make 2 sauces today, 1 spicy and 1 sweet. First step, cutting our chicken into small bite-sized pieces. There's a problem, we have no room, let's make some room. And now to cut our pieces. We want to make bite-sized pieces. It's popcorn chicken after all, not fried chicken tenders. First chicken breast done, reserve. Second chicken breast on the table. Is there a fillet? There is a fillet. Remove it and slice. Chicken sliced, and now we dice. Bowl, chicken, is there a fillet? No fillet. Remove the fat. The recipe's already fatty enough. Slice and dice. Our chicken's all sliced and diced. My knife, my chopping board, and my plate can go away. Bring our chicken, grab our homemade buttermilk, pour it on top. I'm missing just a bit of buttermilk. Luckily for me, I have some. Coat every piece of diced chicken well. For some spice, a little bit of isu. Up to you if you want extra spicy chicken. That's enough for me. Tourne et retourne. Now we'll put it in the fridge for 30 minutes for it to marinate nicely. For our sauces, 2 sauces, 2 bowls, 2 bowls, 2 eggs, 2 eggs, 2 sets of oil, some hot sauce on this side, and some sugariness on this side. For both sauces, we will need Dijon mustard. And now let's work. And we'll start with our eggs. Sweet sauce, a bit of maple syrup. Spicy sauce, you can either use sriracha or harissa. I'm gonna use harissa. It gives a different taste, but they're both good options. Both of them will need Dijon. 1 good scoop and 1 good scoop. And now salt and pepper. Bit of salt here, bit of salt there, bit of pepper here, and no pepper here. We have harissa, it's all good. And now our machine. We'll pre-blend. And now vegetable oil. Let's go. And we're good to go. Reserve, and now we'll move straight onto our spicy sauce. Pre-blend and oil slowly. And we're good. Nice consistency for both sauces. And let's investigate. We have 1 nice spicy dipping sauce. And also for people who don't like spice too much like me, we have our nice sweet sauce. 2 options, under 2 minutes. Do whichever one you want or do both. And in the fridge. And now to make our dry mix, we need our flour, 300 grams, cornstarch, 100 grams, so 1 volume per 3 volumes, 2 grams of onion powder, 2 grams of garlic powder, 1 to 2 grams of isu, salt, and pepper. Small whisk or spoon and mix it all in until well combined. Tourne et retourne. 30 minutes, our chicken is done chilling. We have our chicken, our wet mixture, our dry mixture, and a pizza tray to put all our chicken on. With our right hand, grab your chicken, do 1 last tourne et retourne to make sure everyone's nice and covered in buttermilk. Grab a small amount, dunk it in your flour, shake, pat with your other hand, shake, and place. And we'll restart. Small amount with your right hand, coat, tap, and place. I'll do 1 batch now and the second batch later. Look for any more pieces. There's 1 here. Grab it. Perfect, we're done for now. I'm gonna wash my hands and we'll wait for our oil to be at 180 degrees Celsius. My oil is at 180. You can grab our first batch of chicken and place it slowly inside the oil. First batch is in. We'll do a continuous tourne et retourne for about 2 minutes and then it all should be cooked. In a bowl with paper towel, I'm gonna reserve my popcorn chicken. Nice golden brown. Grab everyone out, make sure no one's left behind. I'll reserve my chicken in the oven at 50 degrees Celsius, not to cook it, just to keep it warm. Heat medium, and let's move on to our second batch. Second batch, same as the first batch. Right hand, grab your wet ingredients, put it inside the flour. With your left hand, coat, press, and reserve. And there we go. I'll wash my hands and as before, we're back to frying, baby. My oil is back up to 180 degrees Celsius. For your Fahrenheit, they're on the screen, and as before, drop them in ever so slightly without getting any oil on you. And before you know it, they're all inside. One last piece. So only let it go for 2 minutes. After about 1:45 seconds, let's pull out our pre-cooked chicken. Pull out game strong. And our second batch will join our first batch. And there we have it, our popcorn chicken. Let's turn our heat off and reserve our oil for another time. And now let's see what we have. As you can hear, nice and crispy. We'll grab one random piece. Check its crispiness, nice and crispy. It's quite hot, watch out. Just for the video, I'm gonna cut one in two. Let's see what we have. Nice, well cooked, juicy, not too dry, perfect. And now let's serve. Grab our chicken and just throw them all on there. Pile of popcorn chicken. Doesn't look classy, don't worry, it's not a classy recipe, it's popcorn chicken after all. And our sauces. We have two, our sweet, our spicy, our yin and yang. Our popcorn chicken made with two 2-minute sauces. There we have it, we are already at the end of our recipe, but don't worry, I'll see you guys in our next one. See ya, bye.